All right, guys, this is important. I just did a video on what not to do in your marketing, right? You can go watch that video. It's in my feed somewhere. But this is not a rant about what not to do. This is about what you should do in marketing and how can you be like Apple to create an awesome experience for your customer. So I'm not going to get into an Apple debate here and everything else, but it's because I feel awesome on how they treated me. Look at this. This here, you know, these are Beats, right? Okay, so check this out. They're falling apart. So I bought them just about a year ago, okay? And the headphone thing, the little pad, was falling apart. And so I went online and I go, okay, well, can I replace these things? And there's all kinds of ways you can replace them for about, I don't know, $60 or something for like a really good replacement. It's not hard to really replace those foam, like the headphone cushions, right? Just pops off and kind of pops back on. So I figured, okay, I'll just do that myself. Then my wife said, well, you know, they might be under warranty. Bingo, I forgot all about the warranty, right? It's about a year. So I called Apple and immediately they said, yep, they're under warranty. You can do one of two things: take them to the Apple store and they'll ship them out and get them fixed, or you can, you know, we'll send someone like FedEx or whatever and pick them up from your house and then we'll send them out, okay? So that's what I did, you know, because I'm just too lazy, didn't want to go to the Apple store myself. So Thursday, it was Thursday. Right now we are Tuesday? Yeah, we're Tuesday. Okay, so we're Tuesday. And so last Thursday, I called them and they sent FedEx to pick up the headphones. So I sent them out on Thursday. They arrived on Friday, okay, to the warehouse or whatever they're going to fix them. And I guess they sat there over the weekend or maybe whatever, right? And so on Monday, yesterday, I was checking in because I'm so impatient, right? I'm going, what's happening with my headphones? And they already told me it was going to take about 7 to 10 days or something to get them fixed and back, right? And lo and behold, around 2:30, boom, knock on the door, these show up. Apple, these things show up. And I go, oh my God, I can't believe they fixed them that fast. Like, that is like superior customer service, right? So I opened up the package, take a look at them. Hey, these are brand new. So they replaced them. Now, there's two things happening there. A, the turnaround of how fast they got these things back to me, because I don't know about you, but when something's in your life and then all of a sudden it's gone, that's when we miss it, right? The craziest things. And if you're a creature of habit like me, you do the same things all the time. So, you know, part of my day is, you know, writing and creating and all that kind of stuff. And some of that time I need headphones on. Sometimes I don't. I won't get into that story of how my ADD brain works, but some of that time is with those headphones. So I've got two sets of headphones. I've got the Beats and then I've got the Apple AirPads or AirPods, right? It just depends on how my brain works. That's not the point. The point is I was missing these guys, you know, for the couple of days, and I was prepared to go for like 7 days, but Apple got them back to me like that. And that's the point of this message. The point is, how can you over deliver to your customers? For them to fix those things, they could have done that. I mean, it takes about, you know, a professional 30 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. It would take me maybe an hour to do it, and depending on how their backlog is, whatever, right? So I was prepared for them to replace the cushions and get them back to me within a couple of days. So by the end of this week, like, I was prepared to have them back by the end of this week. But turn around basically in 1 day and a brand new pair, man, I can't stop talking about it, which is the reason why this live is happening right now. And it's not to really boost on Apple and everything. It's about, you know, how can you look at your customers and treat them with the total respect and make them do the marketing for you, which is exactly what I'm doing for Apple right now. The marketing. I'm doing the marketing for them because of the way that they make me feel. That is the key to marketing differently. That is the key to standing out in your marketing, is how do you make your customer feel awesome with the stuff that you do. Talk to you later.